What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how I make these delicious sugar cranberries. So without further hesitation, let's jump straight into the video, guys. So here I have some simple syrup. Simple syrup is just sugar and water. I have some granulated sugar and of course some fresh cranberries. These are all the ingredients we will be using to make this recipe. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour my simple syrup over the cranberries, and I'm going to coat the cranberry generously in this sugar syrup, and then I'm going to spread it out in a sheet pan and allow it to dry for a bit. I want the sugar syrup to get sticky and tacky and stick towards the cranberry, so when I add the sugar won't fall off. I'm going to let this dry for a couple of hours. Now on to the next step. These are nice and sticky, so I'm just going to go ahead and use a slotted spoon or a strainer or anything that the sugar can drip off easily. I'm just going to coat these in the sugar and allow them to dry. And that's basically it, guys. Your sugared cranberry is ready. You could enjoy these just as is, or you could use these for garnish over the holiday season. These are perfect little snacks for a charcuterie board also. And that's it, beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Guys, listen for the crunch of these awesome cranberries.